Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my Easter decorate with me-ish. I'm actually filming this 2 days later because I went to edit the video after I filmed it. I filmed 2 videos on Monday and I was clearing out my SD cards and I deleted half of the footage because I used 2 different SD cards. I deleted half of the footage from that clean and decorate with me video. So I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I just didn't realize it was on there and I messed up. So I am re-recording what is in my kids' Easter baskets and showing you how I packed all of those and everything that's in them. I shared some of the stuff that I got in a haul a few videos back, but we're going to do that again. And then I still have, like, I redid my front porch. I potted a new plant and did that. I have like the tour still, so you kind of get to see how everything looks, and I love the way it came out, so I didn't want to just like scrap the whole video because I loved it. So there's a portion of it, so you'll get to see like a tour, but there wasn't a ton of decorating anyway, so it was mainly just a little bit of cleaning. I did very light decor because it's Easter. I mean, I like to do a little bit, and like my mantle usually is my main focal point, like the fireplace is where I decorate the most usually, so it's a little bit, you know, mismatched video here, but I didn't want to scrap it all together because, like I said, I loved the way everything came out, and there was still a lot of footage that I still had. So, but I did a cleaning video on the same day, and I have all of that footage, so you'll see that video next. But we're going to pack the kids' Easter baskets and get all of that organized, and I'll show you everything that's in them, and then you will see the decorating, planting, redoing my front porch, and all of that. I love the way my front porch came out too. It's so cute. So it's such a drastic difference from when I filmed that video the other day. It was like beautiful in 60 degrees. Today it is starting to get nice and sunny out, but it is like 40 degrees, not even. It's like 36 degrees. So it's freezing. Massachusetts weather for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do. I would love to have you here on my channel. So let's get started.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us.
All right, so this is everything in their Easter baskets. Like I said, I did add a few things that I got at the dollar store the other day. So I got them each a pair of sunglasses. I feel like, you know, the ones from the dollar store, I usually buy a couple of them because they keep one in the beach bag, they'll keep one in my car, and you know, they lose them. So they just had these little like Lego eggs that were in the dollar spot at Target, a Kinder Joy egg, some chalk, a couple squishies and Poppets, some M&Ms, a little squishy. Layton's is so cute, this little tie-dye guy. They have these little Gabby's Dollhouse. They're really cute. They're like, remember those cup of noodles? These are called cup of doodles, so I thought that was super cute. They each have a bathing suit under there, a chocolate bunny, some Play-Doh, a little Poppet keychain, some Reese's, this little thing that was from the dollar store at like Christmas time that I bought a bunch of them and saved some for her Easter basket. Some bubbles, because no Easter basket is complete without bubbles or chalk. And a book for her as well. She is really, really, really into reading. So that is Layton's, and Austin's is pretty much the same. Instead of that little Trolls toy, he has this Dogman game that I got, I think for Christmas as well for a stocking, but it didn't fit. He has a The Bad Guys book. He's reading this series. If your kids are into like Dogman, Cat Kid, all those kind of books, this is a good series as well. So he has a little Minecraft cup of doodles. He's got a little frog, his sunglasses. He's got a bathing suit down there with a sun shirt, chalk, one of those little Lego legs, one of the little Lego eggs from the dollar spot at Target, a Kinder Joy, a Poppet, a Squishy, the bunny Play-Doh. He has a green little guy there, and I just clipped it onto the Play-Doh because I thought it looked cute. And of course bubbles, and I try to like make it I don't know, like all his stuff was like kind of greens and frogs and stuff like that, and Layton's was obviously pink and all of that with bunnies. So, and I'll also put a few eggs when I fill the eggs too in their Easter basket, just to kind of fill it up a little bit, because I don't use the grass because it makes a mess. It's just a waste of money, it's a waste of paper, and it just gets everywhere, and I just, you know me and my zero waste stuff, I don't like to use it. So this stuff is bad enough. All the packaging and all of that. So I shouldn't say zero waste, but I like to be very eco-friendly when I can and all of that. So anyway, that is their Easter baskets. So the next things that you're gonna see a little bit of cleaning. You're gonna see, I got a fiddle leaf plant, and I am so excited about it. She is absolutely stunning. She's so pretty, and it's like one of the plants that I've always wanted. So I finally found one. Got a beautiful planter for it. She's doing good. So we planted that, we put that in the living room, we decorated the front porch like I said, and then I give you kind of a tour of the whole house and how everything came out. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I know it's kind of like, I deleted all the footage, so the video was a little bit choppy, but the end result was just so good I couldn't help but share. So that is what you guys will see right here. All right, now I got a plant yesterday. I got a fiddle leaf plant. So excited. So I have to repot that, and then we're also going to do the front steps because that literally still has Christmas stuff there. So I got a new mat. I got some new flowers and all of that to spruce that up because, like I said, it is March 21st and it is already spring, and I still have Christmas stuff out there. So unlike me. I don't know. Alright, so this is everything I got for the front porch. I got some of these little things to stick the flowers into, the little foam things. A bunch of flowers, all from the dollar store. This adorable mat that says Home Sweet Home with flowers on it. I got that at Ocean State. And then these from the Dollar Tree to just put in my little vase thing out front. Let me show you. I'm having work done next door, and there's a bunch of people outside, so. But this is a mess and all needs to get taken out because this stuff is dead as can be.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. Yeah, I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe.
And I got this little bunny to add to my wreath here, which what I do with these, I just kind of stick it in one of the things and wrap it around, and now it makes it an Easter wreath for $1. So cute. And it's so nice out, so I'm actually just gonna leave this open because the kids will be home soon, so we just need to vacuum. And one of my favorite things to do is change the little O in home. I love this thing. I am obsessed. And I did love the green because I feel like I brought out the color in the greenery, but I know this one is going to look adorable too. So cute. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's just, it's so cute, and I just feel like it's perfect in this spot. I'm obsessed. All right, so this is how everything came out. Like I said, it's super simple. I didn't do a lot of decorations, just very simple. So we have this little wooden bunny here, just on the table with like our little picture frame, my lamp, and our room spray, my new fiddle leaf plant. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna push this table down a little bit and move it in just a little more, and she definitely needs to be watered. She is dry as a bone. So then I have a little bunny on our coffee table, and then the little Every Bunny Welcome pillow. So cute. It was like $7 at Walmart. Looks so cute. So then over here, just have the little bunny and the little carriage with the little Cadbury egg looking things. And then the mantle is where I always decorate the most. So that always has the most decorations, and I go all out on the mantle. It's like the main focal point in the room. So we have the little girl bunny, the little boy bunny, same up top. Over there we have the little bunny banner, and then I have the little streamer, whatever you call these things. I forget what they're called, but this side needs to go down a little bit. I don't know what these are called. It's like greenery or whatever for the fireplace. So that is that. Then the dining room looks so bright and beautiful, and I didn't really do much. I just put the tablecloth on. We have this little Easter bunny little egg thing here. I should get, this is kind of like fall looking, but I guess it could fit too, but I guess I could find a little bit brighter color one. I think they sell these at like the dollar store too, like little, I just buy like little wreaths, or I guess they're like little wreaths, but you can either open them up and use them as a garland, or Yeah, because this is kind of fall looking. So next time I go to the dollar store, I will replace that. But then over here, I just have everything that we had on there already. And then I added those 2 little eggs. So it's very simple, but very, very cute. Do you like it, Macy? Do you like it? Do you like the decorations? She's so cute, huh? She's so cute. She's loving this weather, huh? You loving the warm weather? Huh? So cute. All right, and then our little bunny sign that I just added to the front door, which that is such a good hack because that is like a plain wreath that you could literally go to the dollar store and get those cute little things and just hang them up on your wreath, and you can have an interchangeable wreath, like the little interchangeable welcome sign we have there, for $1. And I think I got that wreath at either Home Goods or Hobby Lobby maybe. I don't remember. I've had it for years. And I do that. I just interchange the little signs. So then out front we have our welcome mat. A little welcome mat, and then my little greenery thing here. Thank God I am getting my hair done on Thursday. My hair is out of control. It's like, needs to be thinned out. I have curly hair, very curly hair, and it just needs, if I don't get it cut often enough, which I haven't got it cut in probably close to 6 months, it's just like, even though my hair is thin, oh, it's not really, it's like not thick, but it's not thin either. I have a good amount of hair, but it needs to be like thinned out and just needs a cut to get it back together because it's looking like kind of heavy. So anyway, and I'm actually going to be filming a day in the life that day because I got a ton of stuff to do. Haircut, I have tons of prep for Austin's first communion and Brendan's confirmation. They are literally the same weekend. Austin's is Saturday, Brendan's is Sunday. So lots of party planning, prepping for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can't believe we're already prepping for Easter and getting ready for the springtime. I'm so happy. It makes me so happy when the sun is shining, when it's warm, when I can get outside. I'm so excited to put together our furniture out on the back deck because that is like my favorite place to be. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye.